John Deere settles class action lawsuit for $99 million over repair access in a significant development for the right to repair movement, agricultural giant Deere, and AMP. Company, John Deere, has reached a settlement agreement to resolve a class action lawsuit regarding its restrictive repair practices. The settlement, which involves a $99 million fund, addresses long-standing grievances from farmers and equipment owners who argued that the company monopolized the repair process. The core of the dispute, the lawsuit, filed in the Northern District of Illinois, centered on allegations that John Deere intentionally made it difficult, and in some cases impossible, for anyone other than authorized dealers to service their heavy machinery. By restricting access to essential diagnostic software, specialized tools, and technical manuals, the company allegedly forced customers into a closed ecosystem. This lack of competition reportedly led to increased repair costs. Customers were often forced to use authorized dealers rather than more affordable independent shops. Extended downtime. Dependence on a single service network frequently resulted in lengthy wait times, a critical issue during time-sensitive planting and harvesting seasons. Terms of the settlement. While the specific distribution of funds is subject to court approval, the settlement outlines several key components. Monetary compensation. A $99 million fund has been established to compensate class members, specifically customers, who took large agricultural equipment to authorized dealers for repairs starting in January 2018. Resource access. John Deere has committed to providing customers and independent service providers with access to necessary repair resources, including diagnostic software, manuals, and tools. A 10-year horizon. Notably, the requirement to provide this access is set for a 10-year period, rather than being a permanent change to the company's business model. In response to the settlement, John Deere's Vice President of Aftermarket and AMP Customer Support stated that the company remains committed to supporting both its dealer network and independent providers, framing the resolution as a way to move forward and focus on innovation. Why this matters? The broader right to repair battle. This settlement is more than just a legal resolution for one company. It serves as a bellwether for a much larger industrial conflict. The right to repair movement is currently gaining momentum across several sectors, most notably in the automotive industry. The friction between manufacturers and independent repair shops is driven by a massive data gap. Current industry statistics highlight the scale of the problem. 63% of repair shops report regular difficulties accessing necessary vehicle data. Approximately 50% of owners are forced to use dealerships because independent shops lack the required digital access. Cost disparities. Dealerships reportedly charge, on average, 36% more than independent repair shops for similar services. As advocacy groups push for legislation like the Repair Act, the John Deere settlement provides a rare moment of tangible relief for consumers, even if the concessions are time-limited. This settlement marks a pivotal moment in the tension between proprietary technology and consumer ownership rights, signaling that manufacturers may no longer be able to maintain total control over the life cycle of their products. Conclusion. The $99 million settlement provides much-needed financial redress for farmers and sets a precedent for access to repair tools. However, with the resource-sharing mandate limited to 10 years, the long-term battle over digital ownership and repair autonomy continues.